Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, I'm so excited. We're going to be unboxing something a little different here on my channel. We're going to be unboxing an advent calendar, but not a normal advent calendar. We are going to be unboxing a Harry Potter advent calendar. Oh, you guys have no idea how long I have been waiting to open this up because I am the biggest Harry Potter fan. I'm still waiting on my letter. So if you guys want to see what is inside this advent calendar and is this actually worth it, well then definitely keep on watching. Okay guys, so I know you guys know how much I love Disney. I'm like the biggest Disney nerd. I've always been very, very adamant about that, but I don't think you guys ever really understood my obsession when it comes to Harry Potter. Now, I discovered Harry Potter when I was in 4th grade. I remember going to the Scholastic Book Fair and seeing books 1 through 4, and I was like, oh my god, what is this? My parents gave me just enough money that I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna buy it. So I bought all 4 books and I read them like there was no tomorrow. And then when the 5th one got launched, I was so excited because I got to be part of launch day. I got to be part of launch day for book 6 and book 7. And I remember on book 6, I got that book at midnight. I went at midnight and I got that book. I read it in 18 hours. Almost 700 pages I read in 18 hours. I never stopped reading it, so I got no spoilers, but I've been obsessed with Harry Potter majority of my life. And I think what's really cool is that when they were doing the Harry Potter movies, I was growing up with Dan, Emma, and Rupert the entire time because we're the exact same age. So I got to grow up with them. And for me, Harry Potter was a place that I got to escape. When I had a rough time at school with friends or I feel like I didn't have any friends or just wanted a place to escape, Harry Potter was my escape. Harry Potter was a world where I got to go in and see all these beautiful magical things happen, where I got to have 3 amazing best friends and go on these epic adventures, and I truly fell in love with Harry Potter. So for my 21st birthday, my husband actually took me to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter because it had just opened 3 months prior, and it was the best birthday I have ever had. So with that said, I literally I'm a huge fan. I have all the wands. I have a lot of merchandise. I have every single book. I have all the hardcovers, all the paper covers. I have all the 4 illustrated that they have right now, and then I also have the pop-up ones that just got released. So I have the Sorcerer's Stone or the Philosopher's Stone because I got the one over from England, and I got the Chamber of Secrets that they just recently relaunched. I literally buy every single Harry Potter book. I have just started to actually reread the series. I'm currently on the 4th one right now. They just did the Yule Ball because it's been so long since I've read Harry Potter. I mean, when the last one came out, I think I was about 18 years old when the last one came out, just out of high school, and I read that book, and that was the last time I read Harry Potter. And so now, reading it 10 years later, I'm now able to see it from a different perspective, and it's just kind of nice because I remember it. I remember almost everything, but you kind of forget the tiniest details. So it's almost as if I'm kind of rereading it again for the first time, but I still know what's gonna happen. But it's nice to read it now and not remember all the details. I'm like, oh my god, this is amazing. So I can't put it down. And it's also been really hard for me. I've been reading a lot of books recently, and there's just not any ones that have been, catching my attention. So I was like, I'm going to reread Harry Potter. It's perfect in time for the Christmas season to read this. And so I've already read the first 3 within the last couple weeks, and now I'm on the 4th one. And once I finish the Harry Potter series, I did promise some friends of mine that I was going to read the Court of Thrones series, so I'm going to read that afterwards. But anyway, my sister who lives in England, she knows my obsession for Harry Potter, so she sends me anything and everything Harry Potter that she can. I actually got sent over 2 makeup boxes from my sister that are all Harry Potter makeup that they sell at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter over in London. There's a shop that sells all Harry Potter makeup stuff. So I have a box. I haven't touched it. I haven't reviewed it because I generally just want to keep it in as mint condition as possible. So it's the only reason why I haven't done it. But my sister knows I'm such the biggest fan of Harry Potter that she saw this over in England and she decided to send this my way. Now, it just recently arrived a couple weeks ago, but I haven't opened it because I want to save it for a Vlogmas video. And now we get to open this. I don't know where you can find this. I don't know how much it costs, unfortunately. Like I said, this was gifted to me by my sister who lives in England. When shopping Harry Potter and the Wizarding World stuff is really, really easy for her because it was filmed in London. She got to go all the sets. I'm freaking jealous. But she was able to gift this to me. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. I have been dying to get my hands on this box. It's been sitting in the corner just teasing me away. So let's go ahead and dive into this box. Shut the fuck up. What? Look at it. How pretty that looks. It looks so pretty. So here we have Item number 1. I'm still waiting for my letter. You know what? I told Corey, I was like, you know what would be the really coolest thing in the world? And I don't know if JK would ever do it, but I think it would be really cool is if she decided to write a prequel to the Harry Potter series. And we get to see, you know, James, Lily, Sirius, Lupin, and all of them, like Wormtail, Voldemort, like how the whole thing came to be. Like it'd be really cool to see them in Hogwarts as kids and as teenagers and see, you know, kind of like, and see like that side of the story. Like I think it'd be so cool because then we also get to see the rise of Voldemort. And like this series can end at the moment that James and Lily died and it begins with Harry Potter. Like I think that would be the coolest thing that she ever did is she did a whole series on the gang and talked about like on the gang and told a prequel with, you know, how they all came to be and whatnot. I think that'd be the coolest freaking book. I don't know if she'll ever do it. I mean, not like she ever needs to. She's so freaking rich, but I just think it'd be so cool and I would really appreciate it. I'm sure there's so many other people out there who would love it just as much as I would. So maybe she's already doing it. I don't know. Okay, so the first thing we have is a Harry Potter Gryffindor bath fizz. Oh my God. That smells so good. Oh, this is exciting. And it's Gryffindor. I am 100% a Gryffindor. Oh my God, I love that. Okay, that's so cool. Number 2, Ravenclaw. It is a body wash. Doesn't smell as good as the bath bomb, but that's actually super cool. I'm getting so excited. It's not gonna stay like that. Probably not. We got the Harry Potter Golden Stitch Bath Fizz. That smells really good. Do you guys not see the details of that? That's actually really freaking cool. That's exciting. Oh my gosh. I saw that Target, like Target sometimes will have the Harry Potter advent calendar like for socks, like Harry Potter socks. I think it's only like 10 days though, but that's still really cool. All right, number 4, shower jelly. What is shower jelly? I don't know, but it smells kind of good. Yo, it's like slime. That smells good. I have no idea though what shower jelly is. What's shower jelly? I don't know. Number 5. We got Harry Potter Head Witch hand cream. These are so cute. Treat your hands with your favorite Harry Potter creature companion. The Harry Potter Head Witch hand cream is fragmented with notes of lemon, grapefruit, and vanilla. Oh my God, that's nice. It's actually really nice. Okay, cool. Here we have number 6. Oh, what's really exciting is that I'm so excited because HBO is doing a Harry Potter 20th anniversary, like sit down with all the cast on January 1st. And I'm so excited to watch that. And we just bought tickets because we're going to go see Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix in concert. We're going to go see that on sometime in June. So right now, if you guys don't know, there's actually a tour, like a concert traveling around the entire world that's playing all the different soundtracks from the different movies. So you sit there and you actually watch the movie and listen to the music live, which I think is absolutely amazing. So the one that's coming here to Orlando is going to be the Order of Phoenix. Although my favorite Harry Potter book is the Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, followed by Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince, Deathly Hallows, Order of the Phoenix, Goblet of Fire, Sorcerer's Stone, and then Chamber of Secrets. Like that's my exact order. But then when it comes to movies, my favorite movie is the Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. I freaking love that movie. All right, so here we have another shower jelly. I don't know what shower jelly is. It smells good, but I'm gonna have to ask my sister, like, what is shower jelly? Like, what is that? Is it like an English thing that I don't know? Like, I don't know what shower jelly is. Am I stupid? I feel like I'm stupid for not knowing what that is. I've never heard of it. It started to crumble, so I just took it down because I wanted to land in my fire because that would not be good. Okay, so now we're on to number 7. And number 7 is a Harry Potter lip balm right here. Oh, it doesn't have a smell. It doesn't have a smell. That's actually really cute though. I don't know why. I really thought we were gonna get chocolate in here. That's okay. I'm excited for this stuff. Number 8. Oh, this is so cute. I love the little hair tie. That's so cute. I love it. I actually, my purse is a Loungefly, Patronus bag. That's my purse that I've been wearing since I got it. Okay, next we have a Gryffindor body wash right here. Sweet. That smells really, really good. I'm probably going to keep these in my guest bathroom so they can see my love for Harry Potter. Number 10. I think we got another bath fizz. We did. We got a Harry Potter Slytherin bath fizz. Oh, that smells manly. That smells manly. Oh, I love it. Number 11. I love Hogwarts is your home. Yes, it is. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh my god. Yes, 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 yes. All right. Number 12. Ooh, we got a shimmering bath elixir. That smells good. What's a shimmering bath elixir? So is it like a bubble bath? Is it a bubble bath? Yeah, it's a bubble bath. All right. All right. Moving on to number 13. Oop, I think we got one more bath fizz. And this is the Harry Potter bath fizz. Oh, I was really hoping this would be Ravenclaw, so I have all of them. This is so cute though. It'd be so great, like if you put this in water and like it melted and like a little figurine or something that was in there. That'd be so cool. Number 14. Yay! We got a Hufflepuff body wash right here. I love this. Oh my god, yes. Oh yes, I love these. These are so cute. The little badger on the front. That's so cute. Ooh, and number 15. Ooh, we got a Slytherin fragrance spray. Oh wait. 'Tis confusion. Wait. God, that smells like a man. Smells so good. That smells really good. That kind of smells like I walked into like Abercrombie and Fitch. That smells good. I'm gonna walk out and Corey's like, that's what he's gonna be like. Just watch. All right, number 16. This is a golden body scrub. Doesn't have a really good smell to it, but it's gonna be a nice body scrub. Okay, this is so cute. I like this. Number 17. We got a roller fragrance. Oh my god, nice. Oh my god, that smells so freaking good. Wow, that smells actually incredible. Kind of has like a spice to it. Ooh, that smells good. Ooh, I love that. We have number 18. Ooh, we have a Ravenclaw body fragrance. Ooh, that actually, I like is that they're actually like matching scents. Like these are like matching scents. Again, these are all gonna go into my guest bathroom because I want them to like, I don't know, feel like they're in Harry Potter. I love it. Number 19. We got a Harry Potter Hufflepuff bath buzz. Oh my god, yay! Wait. No, I don't have a Ravenclaw yet though. Oh, yay. Okay, see, I'm slowly building my collection. It's like a little basket. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, number 20. Number 20. Maybe this will be Ravenclaw. I want to complete my collection. Yay! It's going to be Slytherin bath wash. Oh my god, that smells so good. So like imagine like walking in my guest bath and like you see all 4 houses. Number 21, have the Gryffindor fragrance spray. Ooh, that's very fruity. That's very fruity. Ooh. Number 22, is this Ravenclaw? Yes, it's Ravenclaw. See, so imagine like you walk in my guest bath and like you see these like sitting there, like how freaking cute, all 4 houses. I'm so excited. Number 23, we have the Hufflepuff fragrance spray. I love that they completed my entire collection. Ooh, that's like a dessert. This is nice. Ooh, last but not least, we have number 24. Oh my gosh, what is this? Is this like a little thing for your head? Oh, I love it. This is so freaking nice. I freaking love this. I cannot thank my sister enough for gifting this to me. I'm actually going to quickly show you guys the makeup that I was talking about because I just want you guys to see what it was. But that was really sweet of her to send this over because she knows how much I absolutely love Harry Potter. So just to have this like in my collection is like so freaking nice. I think this is supposed to put your hair back, but it's going to be white and I know my makeup's going to ruin it. But let me go ahead and grab the makeup so I can show you guys the makeup. What is this so for real though? Cosmic headband. It's so freaking cute though. I love it. Okay, so here we have the first bag. This is exceptionally ordinary. And when you open up the makeup bag, like there's so many goodies in here. Okay, so there is the Luna Lovegood. This is the nail filing set right here. Then there is the Luna Lovegood. This is going to be, I don't know what this is. This is going to be a little compact mirror. Like how freaking cute, right? Like so freaking cute. Then it also comes with so many makeup items. Okay, so there is a Luna Lovegood lip gloss. There is a graphic eyeshadow right here. There is a color changing lipstick. There's going to be another really gorgeous eye topper with another color changing lipstick that's going to be right in here as well, plus some more lip glosses. So I thought this was super cute because you get all of this right here inside this makeup bag, and it only retails for $18.85, but I don't know what that translates to US dollar. But then it also comes inside this beautiful like makeup bag right here. So that was the first one. If you guys want me to review the makeup or try it out, just let me know in the comments below. Just say yes, review Harry Potter, duh. And then the next one is actually going to be the Death Eater collection. Like, look at how freaking sick this is. I freaking love it. Okay, this one you have the Deathly Hallows eyeshadow palette right here. When you open it up, this is how the palette's gonna look. Very beautiful, right? Definitely screams Harry Potter. And then you also have the Hogwarts eyeshadow palette. Definitely doesn't, kind of screams Harry Potter a little bit. Like, you can definitely see the colors. You can see a little H emblem inside there. So freaking cute. And then you just get the makeup bag. So you have the 2 eyeshadow palettes that come in here with the makeup bag. Again, same price as the Luna Lovegood. And I got sent this a while back, and I've been, you know, I wanted to review, but then I'm like, ooh, but it's Harry Potter. I kind of want to just like leave it alone and let it just like, you know, sit here and like kind of like just be a collector's item because I'm a big Harry Potter fan. But if you guys want me to review these and try out all the items, just let me know in the comments below. Like I said, let me know. But yeah, that is it for my Harry Potter advent calendar unboxing. I know this is a little different from my normal content, but I just absolutely adore Harry Potter, and I really wanted to open this on camera, and I'm so excited to add all this stuff to my guest bathroom, make it really more welcoming, nice and cozy, and just show my love for Harry Potter. So Stacey, thank you so much. I absolutely love it. I really appreciate it. And yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every single day in the month of Vlogmas. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. A huge thank you to all these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribe, you guys are not subscribed, just either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you guys. I do have 2 more advent calendars to unbox for you guys coming up, but yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye!